If you're looking for a worthwhile PDF solution, then look no further because in this video, I'm going to do a quick overview of Smallpdf solution, right? They have a wonderful platform with a ton of different tools that you can use to do whatever you want with PDF documents, literally. So I'm going to do a full review of what the solution is, what the kind of tools they have, how you can sign up, and basically what the dashboard looks like once you sign up and log in, right? And on top of that, I'm going to show you how to install it on your computer so that you can have this Smallpdf as an app on your computer. And if you look at my computer as well in my taskbar, here is the icon, Smallpdf as an app. So guys, all you have to do is just simply head over to smallpdf.com, right? And this is what the website looks like. So at the top here, you can see that it has tools, compress, convert, merge, edit, sign, and AI, right? That's really cool. So what is on the tools? Quite a lot. So if you look here, you can see that they have quite a few different tools. So you have compress PDF, PDF converter, and you have some AI tools such as AI question generator, translator, PDF, PDF summarizer, and even you can chat with PDF. How cool is that? So if you have a PDF document, you can upload that PDF document and utilize the power of AI to find things, to summarize things, to understand what is in that document. You can do so much. I've played around with this chat with PDF tool, and trust me, it fascinates me the things that the AI can do to make your life easier with this PDF document. So you also have organizer PDF, which allows you to merge, split, rotate, delete, and even to extract PDF pages. Very cool. You can edit and view your PDF documents. As you can see here, you can convert from and to PDF documents. If you have a PDF document that you want to sign, you can do that. You can unlock a PDF document, or you can protect it by putting a password on that as well. You can even go ahead and scan PDF documents. So these are really cool, right? Now, I want to show you something. I know you may be wondering, this is too good to be true. So let's go over what the pricings look like. So if you go to pricing, you have a free account. Of course, it's limited, but as well, those paid plans are not a lot of money that is gonna break the bank or or work your pocket, right? It's not gonna take you a lot. If you see the prices, you can see that this is how much it costs per month, right? And this is basically if you choose a yearly solution, but if you want to pay month to month, it's a little bit more. As you can see, you can pay $10 per month or $8 per user, right? So that's how it is, and you can see what it entails. Right now, let's go back to the homepage and show you some things in the homepage here. So they go over some most popular tools, which I basically went over all of them and show you as well. It also shows you here, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, it also available on Android and iOS device, so you can easily have this on your mobile ready to use anytime you want, right? So very interesting stuff there, right? So to sign up is very easy, guys. All you have to do is simply click on free trial or login, and you have the option to continue with your Google or Facebook, or if you have a company email, you can easily go ahead and do that as well. Now, as I mentioned before, you can easily get this on your computer, right? So let me show you. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you see that it shows apps, right? So you can download the app. You see that they also have the Windows app as well. So if you click on that, it will take you over here, and you see that it offers a Windows application. So you can simply click and download app, and you see it downloading the application here. So you get an exe file to your computer. The steps is pretty easy. You open the file, you run the installation, you launch the app. So this is what it looks like. Just go ahead and open that from your folder, and as you can see, I have it here on my computer. I can simply double click and install the app. So double click on that. As you can see, it pops up. Accept the terms and proceed with the installation, and it will install as an application on your computer, right? So that's all you have to do. I'm not going to install it again because I already have that application. No, that's how you can easily get it on your computer. And of course, as you can see, as I said, it's available for iOS and Android devices. Now, once you do that, then you have an account and you sign up and you sign in. You open the application and you will see it just like this, right? So you have the option to upload your documents. You can see a bunch of different popular tools shown at the top here, and you can scroll down and you can see quite a lot. It also offers a Google Chrome extension. As you can see, you can click to go to your Google Chrome, and there is an extension for Google Chrome as well, right? Here are more tools on the left hand side. You can click by the different type of task that you want to do. So if you want to compress, you can click on compress. If you want to convert, you can click on convert, choose what you want, organize as well, edit, and so forth, sign, and so much more. You can click on more, and you can protect and unlock document as well. If you want to upgrade at any point in time, all you have to do, click your profile account there, and you can go to subscription, and you can basically start a free trial, or you can upgrade anywhere. You can basically upgrade, right? Once you have your account, you can always go to your profile, make changes there. If you want to change the language, go to settings, change the language. You have your teams. When you add different people here, you have your invoices, so you can find your invoices once you're paying. And if at any point in time you want to log out from the application, your profile is on the upper right hand side. You can click on that. You have the account, help, and log out. You can easily do that. It's a very easy application to use, very straightforward, and I'm sure that you will like this application. This is one of the best ones I've found so far. User friendly, easy to use, everything all in one solution for PDF documents. Guys, I really hope you find value here within this video, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And of course, go ahead and try this out. Hit that subscribe button if you're new as well, and I'm looking forward to see you next time. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.